What's up, guys? Back again at Jones Subwoofer Solutions, doing yet again another amp dyno video. Today we have the Audiopipe APMN-1500. It says right on it 1500 watts. Now they call this a mini amp. It is pretty small. It's not as small as some of the other minis that we've dynoed, but it is more power than those. Quick look at the manual is kind of interesting. Although this is the 1500 watt model, it lists the 1 ohm RMS as 1414 watts and the 2 ohm rating is 964 watts. So keep that in mind when we do the dyno. They're not rating this at 1500 watts. They are rating it at 1414 watts. As far as what comes in the box, you get a little fuse holder here. Just one of these small fuses. And one of your standard Chinese style bass knobs with a headphone jack plug. I've got this queued up and ready to go. And you guys know I like to start with certified, and I like to start with the 1 ohm tests. So let's get to it. Certified 1 ohm. And we are starting at 14.4 volts. This is a certified run. Up to 1% distortion. This should be similar to how they rated the amp. So here we go. And we get 1432 watts into 1 ohm. We dropped to about 14 volts. Oh, there we go, 1432 watts. So that did do rated. Let's check what it does at 2 ohms. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we get 955 watts. Dropped to 14.2 volts. Again, that did do rated. And 4 ohm. Starting at 14.54 volts. And we get 562 watts. Into 4 ohms, dropped to 14.4 volts. Not bad. Let's see what we get for uncertified. I expect on this amp to get a little bit higher numbers here. Start with a 1 ohm load. And this time we're starting at 14.4 volts. This is a run all the way to clipping. Still going. We got it. We got 1601 watts into 1 ohm. Dropped to 13.9 volts. Very impressive. 2 ohms. Think we'll get over 1,000 on 2 ohms. Let's see. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we did. 1044 watts into 2 ohms. Dropped to 14.1 volts. And let's see what it does at 4 ohms uncertified. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we get 595 watts into 4 ohms. We dropped to 14.3 volts. Really good results here. And lastly, we'll do some dynamic runs. Starting with a 1 ohm load. And for dynamic 1 ohm, we're starting at 14.46 volts. (1,680 watts into 1 ohm. We dropped to 14 volts there. Dynamic 2 ohms. This is a burst rating. This is similar to music. (2 ohms starting at 14.5. (1,058 watts, dropped to 14.2 volts. And lastly, 4 ohms. Starting at 14.5 volts. Not quite 600. We got 598 watts into 4 ohms. Dropped to 14.38 volts. Sorry for the abrupt end of the video there. I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching the video. That's it for the Audiopipe APMN-1500. Be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.